Good day, sir. This is Cadet Joseph Ojungan, and today I will demonstrate on how to measure resistance, voltage, and current using the analog multitester. So for measuring resistance, let's use this resistor. But before measuring this resistor, make sure to calibrate first your multitester. Rotate your range selector knob to the resistance in any value as long as the pointer will point to 0 ohms. Adjust the pointer using the adjuster knob until it pointed at exactly 0 ohms. Now, after calibrating, measure the resistor. So 1. Since my range is, I'm using times 1K, so 1 times 1000 is equal to 1000 ohms. And that's how you measure the resistance. So for measuring the voltage, I will use this 1.5 volt AA battery. So before we measure this battery, adjust first the range selector knob to the closest value of the battery, which is 2.5 volts. But before you measure this, make sure that the pointer of the multitester is pointing at exactly 0. If not, then calibrate first your multitester. Now to test the battery, this battery has a value of 1.7 volts. And that's how you measure volt. Lastly, to measure the current, we need battery and a resistor. Since I already secured my resistor to the battery using an electrical tape, now let's adjust the range selector knob. After adjusting, measure the battery and the resistor. For the negative prob, connect it to the negative side of the battery and the positive prob to the edge or the end of the resistor. It is safe to touch to the positive side of the battery because it is covered with electrical tape. So the measure is 140. So since we're using the range of 2.5 to 140 will be converted to 1.4 milliamperes. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.